Okay, I'm in Golden Gate Park. It's sort of overcast, but it's a nice day for a bike ride regardless. I'm going back way to the Conservatory of Flowers. I believe it's an agave plant. I'm not an expert in succulents or cacti, but this is a pretty large one. And I do have this growing in my backyard at a very small size, which is about volleyball size right now, but you can see people have marked it on the side of its blades. Even some love messages. And there goes the Segway tour of San Francisco. And here's the Conservatory of Flowers, right in Golden Gate Park. This is the backside of the DeYoung Museum. And back there, if you see the building with the circular windows on it, that's the California Academy of Sciences. It has like an indoor rainforest, which is absolutely wonderful. Entering the Rose Garden. I love the names of the groves. This one says Walking on Sunshine. And this one was given the name as Strike It Rich. Maybe I should cut some of these roses down for myself as a good luck charm, huh? And these are the groves that are next to the rose garden. And look what I found. I thought it was real at first, but it is very nicely made. How cool is that? They have a hawk that they've trained to land from arm to arm. Now this is absolutely beautiful here too. I love succulents, and the mix with these purple flowers are beautiful. Don't you agree? But look how big they are in comparison to my hand. Huge. And there's a whole forest of them also. And there's the bike I've been riding, my Brompton. It's a folding bike, and I just absolutely love it. And more succulents. And they are flowering also. Ooh, there's a bee. Entering Stowe Lake and the Chinese pavilion. guys, I finally found the Chinese pavilion, which is another thing I did not know existed in the Golden Gate Park. I just saw this off the street, Prayerbook Cross. So we are going to go and check it out. My, I've been in this area for about 30 years and I have never seen this. Of course, there's always new things to see in San Francisco or the Bay Area. And this is a huge cross. See how big it is next to my bike. And that's the California Academy of Science, a temporary structure there, and the DeYoung Museum from the front side. I showed you the back side not too long ago. They're featuring sharks. I also wanted to show you these Victorian homes in San Francisco, not too far from Golden Gate Park. This is at a park leading up to Golden Gate Park, but look at the art, the architecture. I don't know exactly how old they are, but they do look pretty old, huh? Thought maybe you'd enjoy that, as I do. And there is City Hall. It's a pretty steep road. I don't know if it's a good idea for me to be taking video while I'm trying to handle this bicycle going down a steep road.